I've made over $1.7 million this year just from launching meme coins alone. This isn't a brag or anything like that. It's just to show you that I've been actually doing this consistently. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I do it, how to come up with a viral idea, how to launch your own coin, and how to promote it the right way. And of course, how to make money from it. When it comes to picking an idea for your meme coin, you really only have two options here. First, you can base your coin on trending topics or viral news. This works great because people are already talking about it. You just jump in and ride the wave. You can check the Creator to see what kind of themes are popping off, or you can scroll through crypto Twitter and try to find narratives with traction. But in today's video, we're going to focus on the second method, and that's by abusing celebrity clout. This method works insanely well because these people are already famous, already have a fan base, and already have influence. So instead of trying to build hype from zero, we're piggybacking off people who already went viral before. We're going to use their name, their image, and their momentum, and slip it into our own custom coin. It's fast, simple, and effective. Now, there are literally thousands of celebrities you could make coins about, but not all of them are going to hit. You need to find the right type of person, someone who's always in the spotlight, has a cult-like following, or is constantly being memed online. For example, FaZe Banks, Logan Paul, Jake Paul. These guys have controversy, fans, and haters, which means your coin would instantly get attention. But in today's video, we're going to go with a classic one. We're making another coin around KSI's forehead. Yes, his forehead. I've made hundreds of coins around it before, and every single one made me thousands of dollars. So today, we're going to do it again. Now, the first step is to actually find the PFP for a meme coin, because that will be the face of our coin. People will see that first before the name. Now, I would highly recommend to head over to Google and just type in the celebrity's name. So KSI's forehead. And then go to image, and here you can find a good one. I'm gonna go with this one looks promising and is even pointing to his own forehead. So I'm gonna open my screenshot tool and just take a photo of it. That will be the image for a coin. Save it into your PC, and that's it. And now it's time to launch a coin, which brings us to step 2. Most people use Pump.Fun because it's easy, but the reality is it's overcrowded. There's hundreds of coins launching every single minute right now, and worse, you cannot even control the liquidity pool. That means if your coin pumps and you want to take out profits, you literally can't. You're just another buyer. No control, no flexibility, no exit. That's exactly why you need to be launching on the Radium DEX instead. On Radium, you have full freedom. You own the coin, you control the entire liquidity, and best of all, your coin is instantly graduated, meaning it gets way more attention than coins stuck in Pump.Fun's bonding curve. To make a coin on this DEX specifically, you want to head over to LaunchX.fun. This platform is used by thousands. It gives you full control and lets you launch coins directly onto Radium with no coding, no nonsense, and no restrictions. Now, this website is pretty simple to navigate through. Basically, all you would have to do is connect your wallet. Boom, your Phantom wallet should pop up. Just click on connect, and boom, now it's connected. And as you guys can see here, you can make your coin manually. So just put the token name. I'm gonna do KSI's now 40 token symbol. Actually, I'm gonna call this KS head. 40 token symbol. Just put the abbreviations of the name. So it would be KSH, and then drop in your image. Boom, I'm gonna put the screenshot. As you guys can see, now that's the PFP for your meme coin. Now do next. 40 decimals, keep that to 9. Supply, keep it to a bidden, and description, you can leave that blank because, let's be honest, who the hell is going to read the description? Nobody. So just do next. 40 socials, if you have some kind of website for your coin, you can put that. It would help a bit. Twitter, it's kind of useless, and Telegram and Discord are only good if you have a community. 40 modified pre-ether information. You can keep that off. It's completely useless. Okay, but right under here is really, really important. You have to keep the revoke freeze, revoke mint, and revoke update all selected. Otherwise, your coin will be viewed as a scam and nobody is going to buy your coin. And now it's time to create the coin. So boom, create coin. Just wait a set. Your phantom will pop up. You will get a warning. Okay, it's completely normal. Okay, every single human being is gonna receive this warning on every single website. So just do proceed anyway, and then confirm, confirm. Just wait a moment and boom, your token has been created. And if I go on SoaScan, you can see that it's officially minted on chain on the blockchain. So now your name coin is created. That leads us to the third step, which is how to promote your coin. Okay, now the first step is to actually use depshat.fun. It's basically a free website to promote your own token. It's gonna comment in every single comment section related to meme coins and crypto on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. So yeah, head over to dexhack.fun. So I'm gonna open a tab actually right here, dexhack.fun, and then come back to LaunchX. Click here to copy a token address and paste it here, and then promote token. It's completely free, by the way. I did not connect my wallet. Everything here is free. Boom. And it's going to take approximately 10 minutes, but yeah, it takes around 10 to 1 hour in my experience. So we're going to wait a bit. And the second way is actually from the raw height of Rayong, because if you guys didn't know, Rayong is where all the graduate coins are, and there's actually thousands of potential investors looking to buy inside their own coin. I could try to find it right here, just too many coins, but yeah. Now I'm gonna give this coin around 10 to 20 minutes and we're gonna see where it's at, so be right back. Oh yeah, also before I forget, if you want to check the charts, just once again copy here, and then you can either go on NeoBudX, just paste it here and the coin is right there. You could also go on Axem if you want, which is really popular at the moment, the trade coins. You can also go on DexGreer if you want, just paste it, just do this and paste it right here like this and just replace it. Or you can go on Photon. I'm currently on Photon. As you guys can see, the multi-tap is at $7.4 thousand, so we might be up a couple $1,000, but yeah. Now this is the before and we're going to see the after, so yeah, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It has been around 5 to 10 minutes, and as you guys can see, we're doing a bunch of transactions in, all from different wallets. So this is not my doing, okay? There's thousands of different wallets, and now the market cap is at a $35,000 one, which is really, really good. I think we might be up a couple $1,000. Now, to remove the liquidity, you have to go to Rhythm right here, and then go to portfolio, and as you guys can see here, we are up $3.5 thousand, and after that click on the mines button, and then here is where you will be able to remove the liquidity. I'm gonna do around now like here, and as you guys can see here, we have the chance to remove $800, and then click on remove liquidity. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 4.6 SOL, and then simply just click on confirm. And just like that, if I open my Phantom wallet, $800 is right there.